Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to insert an offline video directly into a Microsoft Word document. While Word has a built-in button for online videos, adding a video file from your computer requires a slightly different approach. Open your Word document and navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Look towards the far right of the ribbon and click on Object. Then select Object again from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear. Click on the Create from File tab. Click the Browse button, locate the video file you want to use from your computer, and click Insert. Before hitting OK, you have a formatting choice. It is highly recommended to check the box that says Display as Icon. This keeps your Word document clean and prevents layout issues. You can also click Change Icon if you want to pick a different visual for the video thumbnail. Once you are ready, click OK. The video is now embedded in your document as an icon. You can drag the corners to resize it just like a regular image. To play the video, simply double-click the icon and select Open. The video will launch locally right from your document. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials.